Hello everyone, today we will have an in-depth understanding of the first step of PCBA manufacturing services, which is the daily routine of IQC confirmation of materials. In the first step, we have professional staff checking the capacity of components. They ensure that the specifications and quality of each material meet our requirements. Next, we inspect the LED lights. The brightness and color of the light are critical to both the performance and appearance of the PCBA. Here, our staff is carefully inspecting the diodes and transistors to ensure that they are connected correctly and there are no soldering problems. Now, let's take a look at the IC inspection process. Each IC undergoes rigorous testing to ensure stable performance. Finally, we conduct quality inspection of excipients. This includes auxiliary materials such as connectors and cables. Thank you for watching. If you have any need for PCBA manufacturing services, please feel free to contact us, and we will provide you with first-class one-stop manufacturing services.